What's up everyone? In this video I'm gonna show you how you can receive money on your Opay app from your family members to your customers. It's very simple and easy, so let's get right into it. Click on the Opay app. Once you click on it, then we wait for it to open up. Once it opens up, come over to this profile picture, click on it. So normally on the left side of the screen. Once it opens up, you see your name and your phone number. Automatically your phone number has become your account number and one number will be missing. That's the first zero. Let's move over to the bank app. On the bank side, you go transfer, then to other bank. Click on that, then you click on the type of account that you have and you put in the account number, which is your phone number. Once you're done typing it, you click on continue. So right now we need to choose the bank that we want to transfer the money to. Now we're gonna scroll down and look for Opay. Keep scrolling down. Now this is it right here, Opay Digital Service Limited. This is what you're gonna click on because this is the bank that we're gonna transfer the money to. So go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, we're taken to this page that says details. This is where we're going to type in the amount that we want to transfer to the customer or to a family member. And underneath, we can see remark, which is optional. So go ahead and type in the amount that you want to send and click on continue. After clicking on continue, we're brought over to this page which says review. So this is where we're going to review to make sure everything is okay and the name matches. After that, we'll confirm the transfer. After confirming the transfer, we're going to receive a message telling us that the transfer has been successful. So let's go ahead and click on confirm transfer. Wait a bit. And this is it right here, transfer successful. Now we're going to be expecting a message, in-app message from the Opay app, and that is it right there. You can see it up here. So the money has been successfully been transferred to our Opay account, and that's how you can transfer money to Opay account. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this.